Musall is here. Hello, I am Oroghene Emudainohwo, and I work together with Fowler to create Musall, powered by Dfinity. Music ownership is broken. At Musall, we aim to fix this by changing the ownership to a shared model using the key features of the Internet Computer blockchain: permissionless, censorship resistance, capture resistance, and recursive incentives. Musall provides a platform for creators to create contracts which are shared with fans and investors in a shared ownership model. The result: musicians and their fans earn together from royalties. No more working two jobs to fund your growing music career. To show the demo we have, we will log in by connecting to our plug wallet. We're redirected to the page showing our available contracts. Here we have the image of our contracts. We have our description, and to see more, click on Learn More. This is a full description for this contract, the scope of work, the terms of ownership, number of tokens, and the price in ICP. To create a contract, click on Create Contract on the menu on the left. We see two forms. The first form is to upload the contract image, and the second form is to fill in the rest of the details for the contract. The contract is defined by the creator and is meant to be filled in with enough details so it can be legally binding. Let's start by creating the contract by uploading the contract image. Push the red button to upload your file. Pick a file from your system. Once that button has changed, you know the file has been uploaded and you can push submit. The image is rendered so you can be sure of the image you're using for your contract. Notice that the first field for the rest of the contract details has been populated with a link. This is the URL for the image on our file upload canister. The image was uploaded with the file upload canister, which slices the image into slices of bytes that are batched into a chunk and uploaded. We use a separate canister to prevent space from getting exceeded too fast. Let's fill in the rest of our contract details. For description, I would say demo for Supernova Hackathon. Musall project by Oroghene and Lee. For the scope of work, we would say this is a demo purpose only. This is for demo purpose only. For the price of item, we set that to 1. For terms of ownership, we would say terms and conditions apply. For number of tokens, we will set that to 10. Our contract details are completely filled in. We have our image uploaded, and now we can push submit. We are redirected to a page showing our contracts, and you can just pull down to refresh. Now we have our newly uploaded contracts: demo for Supernova Hackathon, Musall project by Oroghene and Lee. learn more to see the rest of the details, we have the image uploaded here. We have our description, our scope of work, terms and conditions apply for terms of ownership. Number of tokens is 10 and the price is 1 ICP. The scope of work and terms of conditions are important as they specify what the creator and investors truly own and how they will be rewarded. It is important to know that contracts cannot be deleted once they are uploaded on the blockchain. Contracts will also be rated as investments by the community. You cannot rate your own contract. Only users which buy your contract can rate them. This is for transparency. We used React and SCSS to create the front-end assets and to style them, respectively. We use Motoko for our backend canisters, and we use Plug Wallet as a wallet for the Internet Computer blockchain, which we can use to save our contracts and which allows us to create contracts and connect to the dApp. Musall is built on fair contracts. Creators and musicians develop a contract that is fair and transparent. Work is appropriately scoped and sold at a price that is fair to fans and to Musall investors. Fans own music. Investors and fans browse through a collection of contracts that are community rated as good investments, and they can make their choice to invest or not invest. Fans and investors consume the music that they partially own, receiving payments in the form of royalties. Here are features to come in the next phase of development for Musall. We plan to host and stream music to users as a service. We will record the frequency of music engagement, then regularly execute payments via the NNS ledger to users. And the shared ownership of contracts will be extended to other categories, including but not limited to housing and property, research projects, film projects. Thank you for watching this demo.